Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix slow copying speed to USB drive. If you're using a PC and you're trying to copy something from your PC to your USB drive, but you're facing the issue that your USB drive is too much slow, so let's see how can you extend the speed of your USB drive. You just have to open this PC and here just right click on your USB drive and then go to properties. Now in properties, you just have to click on hardware and here just select your USB drive. I have selected. Now click on properties and then click on change setting. Under role as general, you will see change setting option. Click on this. Now in this setting you just have to click on volume and here you must see your volume of your disk or your USB drive. You must have to click on policies and then click on better performance. And once you have selected better performance here, click OK. So after that you have to restart your PC. I'm not going to restart here. Then click apply and then OK again. Then once you have done this, your PC's USB speed will be boosted. Now you can easily copy it everything very fast. Before you can do, you have to restart your PC and after that your speed will be boosted. So in this way, you can easily fix your slow copy speed of your for your USB drive. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.